Hi, this is Nicole with Raspberry Moon Skin Therapy. Today we're going to be going over the Blemish Spot Treater from SkinScript. So this spot treater can be used after you've cleansed your skin, and then it can also be used throughout the day over top of your makeup as a treatment throughout the day. So if you've got one of those blemishes that are starting to come up, it's very tender, then you can start treating that right away. So this is going to have glycolic and salicylic, which is going to help reduce the congestion. It helps exfoliate. So again, that glycolic is going to go in, it's going to break up that cellular glue that holds those dead skin cells together. And then your salicylic is going to go in like a scooper truck and take out that debris out of that follicle. It has witch hazel in it, which helps to tone the skin. It also neutralizes bacteria and helps the healing process. And then it has spin trap in it, which is a great anti-aging treatment or pro-aging treatment that helps to neutralize free radicals. So those free radicals are spinning out of control, and then that helps to settle them all down. So again, these are really great for pimples that are coming up that you can feel the red and the heat in them. So you want to spot treat with this, and then you can also use ice over top of those blemishes to help reduce that inflammation. So you're simply going to take a small amount and spot treat those areas. If you are having a little bit more congestion and we need to be a little bit more aggressive, we could do that. Maybe we're having to put all over the cheeks or the forehead, depending on what your area of concern is. But if you have a blemish, you're simply going to use just enough to kind of cover the blemish. We don't need to use a lot. So it's kind of hard to see in that picture. There we go. So just a tiny bit. And you're going to apply on any spots. If we have something here across the décolleté or on the back, we can use that to spot treat as well. And then we're just gonna let that set and dry. After it dries, then we can move on to our next step, which is hydration. Until we connect, create a beautiful day.